Hello, this video is about Activity 4, Speaking and Segment. My name is Cristian Camilo Punjano Diaz. I'm 19 years old. I'm living in Ibagué, Tolima. I'm studying systems engineer. My hobby is watch movies. Here in Ibagué, we celebrate San Pedro and San Juan. This festivity is celebrated between June 23 and July 1st. In this festivity, the following activities are carried out. Fourth, a King Fair, Lectional Day, swimsuit parade of the candidates of the national and international rank. Grand Parade, 47th Reg and National Folklore Meeting, 33rd Festival of Festivals Guillermo Giraldo, and 33rd International Folklore Meeting. Coronation Evening, 47th Reg and National Folklore Meeting, and 30th International Folklore Meeting. Thanks for your attention.